Yesterday I unboxed my Ninja Dual Brew coffee maker. It takes coffee grounds and pods. This is where the pods go. If you want to use grounds, you remove this pod adapter. But today I'm going to brew a cup of coffee using the pods. I'm going to get my cup together with the ingredients that I like, and I'll come back. So I'm going to be using my pods. That's coffee and chicory. I'm going to be using white chocolate sauce to top my coffee off with. I'm using vanilla simple syrup, French vanilla creamer, and milk. I'm going to do over ice. I like cold coffee. I don't like hot coffee, so I'm going to do over ice. I'm going to get my glass set up and I'll be back. I have my ice in my cup, my creamer, my milk, my white chocolate sauce, and my vanilla syrup in the cup already, and it's all ready to go. I'm going to turn my Ninja on, open the lid. Sorry, I dropped the pod. Have my pod ready. I'm going to place it in. You close it, here it clicked to let you know it's safe and secure, or it's secure in there, sorry. And I'm going to select my brew style, turn the dial. Oh, I'm sorry. You keep hitting until you get what you want. And I want over ice. And now I turn the dial and I'm going to go down to, yesterday I did 8. I'm going to do 8 again today, 8 ounces. And I have it already set. And it's on the regular mug size. I chose that yesterday and I just left it there for today. Then I'm going to start. When it's finished brewing, I will come back and show you the rest. Just came back to show you it brewed a little more, as you can see. It's finished. It's finished brewing, so I'm going to mix it up and put my foam on top along with my syrup, and I'll be back to show you the end result. So in this cup I put a little milk, a little French vanilla creamer, and 2 pumps of vanilla syrup, and I'm going to froth this mixture together to pour on top of my coffee. I'll be back. Pouring my froth on top. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. Most of the foam stayed in the cup. There, I frothed a little more to put on top so that you guys could get the idea. Now I'm going to add white chocolate sauce. There's the finished results. My delicious cup of over ice coffee made by my Ninja Dual Pro coffee maker. Great item from Ninja. Love it.